Hello guys, I'm doing quick absorption trade for you. It was very good. We took it with the group members yesterday during Asia trading, so pretty simple. So we made a really nice swing failure pattern over here. It was very easy short. And during Asia we started to see a lot of profit taking from the longs. Look here. Even here we had perfect trade, naked poke, nice bounce. Small scalp, but then the major volatility move come from a lot of longs closing. Look here, big drop. Also the big drop caused bullish CVD. When we go over here, where is the lows when we compare? When we reach the low, you can see here we should be at this area with that kind of selling pressure, okay? And you can see clearly we are above. So it is local, you can say 5-minute bullish CVD. There are clearly absorptions going on at this level. And now if we zoom in, it's very evident. You can see the big short came. The big short came over here. I want to show you the exact candle. It's over here. In this candle, 20 billion short arrived to the market. He didn't move the price a bit. There was green candle on his 20 million selling pressure. Okay, that's showing you huge absorptions. So you can, and so in order to see it very clearly, you must go to your Exocharts template. This was the whole situation. You see net longs closing, bleeding. We know the bottom, usually the local one, is coming with the like longs bled out in this move easily, and now we are seeing for signs of absorption. We have one clear here, 4 million here, couldn't move the price, and here is the big short. This area in this candle, like majority of this selling was here, 14 million, and the candle was pretty stable. From that moment, I was saying to the group, also we reach support, okay? Because you do not trade just you want some technical support as well to your level. There was zero reaction at golden zone, but 0.86 was holding nicely. It's the last line of defense for the bulls, and they are protecting, okay? Now, you go to this template. As you know, he is here. You can really counter trade against him from the support, and you will place tight stop loss over here, and you can expect really to the upside. What was important about this trade? Such a big seller showed up only on Bybit. There was nothing serious on Binance and FTX. Nothing. We have aggregate tool for this. There was nothing serious there. So for me, this trader was deviation, some foremost short seller. So it was logical for me to expect market will squeeze him. So tight stop loss, we expect his squeeze as he himself is deviation, and now let's see what happened. Good buying imbalances over here starting. Open interest starting to increase since this point as well. And let's go. And market is slowly squeezing him. You look here, already shorts are closing. And new longs are coming. That's what you want to see. We reach first equilibrium point where you see really sideways action. You can take profit at VWAP, it's up to you, but there is no strong selling pressure or buying pressure. You can even wait for further upside, and we had some fips up there. I look here. He took another big hit. Look here, 14 million short close. I think it was him. It was him again, and I can just assume, yeah. And now you can see he opened immediately new short. Like this was revenge trading. When you see exact same size opening, you know it's revenge trading. It's very clear, yeah. Anyway, it was again absorbed, but we had a lot of absorptions at the top as well. So this area, when you come here, is good take profit for you. because there is a chance we now can trap all these fresh longs here. Look here, they were getting absorbed. A lot of buying imbalances over here. In this candle I took majority of profit in those two candles. So always look for these special situations. Those can be high probability trades if you have such a setup as I mentioned. Okay, so very alone trader on one exchange, his deviation, good absorptions at the bottom, bullish CVD candle looking very, you know, with like there was absorptions clearly going on. It's very visible. And you had my technical support over here as well, 0.96. So what else do you want? That's it, you know. So that was my really quick example. I hope it helps you, and I wish you good trades, guys. See you in the group. Bye bye.